Hello, I am Captain Nicholas Green, Aerospace Education Officer at the Civil Air Patrol Tar River Composite Squadron, stationed at Rocky Mount Wilson Airport. Today we are going to prototype a lunar rover. Now, to prototype a lunar rover we need a few materials. First off, we need a moon. Very important to remind ourselves what we want to do. Secondly, we need a few materials to make the rover. We need some nice 5-inch square pieces of cardboard to make wheels. We need a nice cardboard body. We need an axle for the front wheels, an axle for the back wheels, and of course we need back wheels. Best thing about these back wheels is that you can eat them when you finish working with your rover. So how do we do this? Well, let's start by making the body. We have a Lunar Rover body. And we need to give it some front wheels. To do that, we need to find the center of the squares. I'm sure you know how to find the center of a square. You draw an X across the square from corner to corner. Then we need to make a hole for the pencil to go through, which is going to be our axle. That's a good start. We're also going to want somewhere for the axle to go through the body of the rover. Hole in each side that hopefully is carefully lined up. Next we need the hole to be big enough for our pencil to fit through. Not quite. That fits. Maybe doesn't turn loosely enough because we need an axle to turn. We'll do the same the other side. Excellent. We'll take a little bit of tape. Hold this body so that it doesn't keep opening up. Now we need to fit the wheels onto the axle. go, that seems to work. The axle is quite long, but that's alright. This is just a prototype. Now we need to make sure that the wheels turn with the axle. Okay. So now what about at the back? Well, we have a nice little straw. And what we'll do with the straw is tape it to the body. Add our back wheels. Those fit on nicely. And what we'll do is just fold this over. Tape it so that the wheels cannot fall off. And there we have two wheels that turn on the axle. So, having got to this stage, how exactly do we make it go? Well, we need our trusty rubber band to power it. What we'll do is wrap the elastic band on the axle. That's quite short, we'll attach another elastic band. We're going to want to hook this elastic band to the front of our, or the back of our rover rather. slits to hook it on. Then all we do is wind up the motor and see how our rover goes. And I hope I wound the motor the right way, otherwise our rover will go backwards. So let's see how that works. Guess that means I didn't wind it enough. Wind it a few more times and see how it goes. Oh no, I wound it too much. It just leapt up and spun. So we need to work a little bit with this. There's a few things we can do. We can try adding a little bit of weight because there will be people in the rover, or we can maybe try changing the shape of the wheels. I think if cardboard wheels were just circles, they'd also spin, so maybe we can cut the corners off and turn them into something that looks like a stop sign shape. Anyway, you can experiment further on your own if you like. Thank you.